Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create a portfolio website for free right after transitioning to become a data analyst. One of the things I had to do immediately was to create a portfolio website to showcase my projects, and of course when I had to do my resume. But in today's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to do this for free. Okay, I used um, Google Sites. Yeah, I did quite a lot of research, and I eventually settled for Google Sites, and that's why I'm making this video to show you guys how I was able to do that. So this is my portfolio website as a data analyst, and I was able to do this for free except my domain name, which obviously I paid for. Okay, so first you need to go to your browser and type the sites.google.com, or you could just search Google Sites, whichever one. Okay, so it brings us here. With Google Sites, you can create a portfolio website for free, but I will often advise you to use a custom domain name. You can easily get a custom domain name from namecheap.com. I have an affiliate link. I'm going to link it in the description in this video. Okay, so let's get started. All right, so here you have some templates for portfolio websites. You have a template for portfolio websites for a project, maybe a website, another website, maybe you want to design about salon, dog walker. But for this video, we're strictly talking about a portfolio website. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how I did mine. You can also use a blank template, like you want to start from scratch. It's just your choice. But for this video, I used this template portfolio. Okay, so click on it and it's going to load. Fine. So this is the template for a portfolio website on Google Sites. This is it. You see it's clean. There's nothing much on it aside from this image and this very one here, this right up here saying hi, type your name, your role, your location. So first things first, you need to name your portfolio website, your name. So you put your name here. So let's say Chimdima. Put your surname, portfolio. I love to add a portfolio there. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is personally there's no need putting location, but if you're fine with putting your location, that's good. Hi, you put your name here again. A role. What role? What is this portfolio about? Let me just complete the name. Okay, so that's it. You can change the font by selecting here, and this is where you change the font. You can change the font to anything you're comfortable, any font type you're comfortable with. You can change the font size. You can make it bigger or smaller. Not so. Let me change to another font. Let me choose Lato. Okay, I think I love this. Then change the image here to your own image, because it's a portfolio website, so it's a personal brand website, and an image that is talking about you should ideally be your own image. Okay, so here you click on these three buttons to change the image. So replace image, click on upload and select a picture from your computer. So I want to take one of my pictures just as an example. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so here also change this name here to on here, this portfolio, still change it to your name, Chimdima Malikam, portfolio, your name of course. Okay, so can you see how quick that is? So we've just edited, worked on this first section of the website. Another good thing you can do here now is to change the background color. So this background section colors, so I can change this section color to sections. Oh, this is beautiful. Can you see? Or you want it to be this style, this color, or you want to use an image as a background. I don't really consent to that much. I just prefer colors, but let's still use style too. I think I love the style too. Okay, so that's it. We're done with this session. So the next session here, this one now, you can just, if you any session you don't need here that is on this template, you can easily remove it by clicking on this remove button here, and it's going to remove it. Okay, so here selected work, so here you can talk about, say, my recent projects. Okay, so here you see project one, okay, here again you see name of project 2, here if project 3, okay, here also project 4, right? Yeah, project 5. Of course, you know you're supposed to use the ideal project name. I'm just doing this as an example. Project 6. Okay, we can also change the session color for this project. Let's just take a look at this. Let's see. Do I like it? Do I really like it? Let's change this color. Okay. I really don't fancy this, but you can always change it. So let me just make do with my internet. Just make do with this. Okay. Sorry, style 2. Okay. So another thing I want you to do is to give more details about, I want to add a block here. So these are content blocks. You can use any of those content blocks. So personally, I love to add an about section about me, talking more about what I do as a data analyst. So here I'll still use a picture, upload a picture. Okay, and then here I say about me, then I'm a dedicated data analyst, blah 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 blah. Just write, sell yourself here, just sell yourself on this about session. Okay, and then here you can add your email address, get in touch with me at mma@gmail.com. That's not my Gmail, of course. I'm just doing this as an example. Okay. All right. So this is just a quick illustration of your homepage. You can add as many sessions as you want. After that, you come here and this is the about page. Here you sell yourself more. You change this image to your personal image. You also talk about yourself, the clients maybe you've worked with, your work experience. This is like a mini CV if you ask me. Okay, so in this project page now, yeah, so here you're going to say projects that I have done. This is still an example, right? One to two sentence description of your projects. I worked on this project. You can check them out. This is just an illustration, of course. Okay, so here you talk about the project, you write everything you need to write. Okay, so you come here to pages, under pages. So usually, as for a portfolio website, you're going to have more than one project. And when you create multiple pages for each of those projects, they're going to occupy the entire header and it's going to mess up your website. So what you should do is to create a sub page. So click on those three icons, these three dots here, and then say add sub page. So you say project 1. Remember the projects we named on the home page, project 1 to project 6. So you say project 1, you add another sub page, project 2, click on done, project 3, click on done, project 4. I'm just creating the sub pages first. Project 4, you click on down to project 6. We're going to create 6 sub pages. They're actually real pages, so we're just calling them sub because we're placing them right under the main project page. Project 5, okay. And then the last but not the least, of course. So you say project 6, and then you say done. Okay, so when a visitor comes to your website, you see your projects that you've done are arranged under this main homepage, the project page. Okay, so now you have to start adding more details on each of these project sub pages. So when you click on it, you can start editing it, adding more things. Let's see, come to insert a block. You talk about that project 1, talk about when you finish the project 1, you get again to the pages, click on project 2. Can you see this project 2 that was selected now? You come to insert, you insert a content block, you talk about the project 2, you go back to pages, click on the project 3, click on the project 3, you come here to insert any block like that. By the time you're done, you're finished building your entire website portfolio website. That's exactly how I built my portfolio website. And when you're done, you click on this publish button. Okay, so let's you want to add a custom domain. First, you need to go to namecheap.com, sign up. If you don't have an account, sign in. I'm going to leave my my link. You can use my link to sign up to buy your domain name if you don't have one. If you have one already, that's fantastic. But let's say you have one already, you just come here on custom domains, click on it, and then you say start setup. You're going to leave it as this www, just add your domain name, put it here, then this button will become highlighted. You click on next, and it's going to tell you to verify it. It's just a very simple step anyway. So when you're done doing that, you click on publish. Once you publish your site, that's it. You have a beautiful website. That's how I was able to create this, my portfolio website, that as a data analyst. So that's it. This is how to create a portfolio website for free you get to buy just a domain name, and I advise everyone, please get a domain name. Use a custom domain name. Don't use the .sites.google. You could just build with it, just build using the sites.google, no problem. But make sure you go on Namecheap and buy a custom domain name for your portfolio website. So that's it, guys. This is how to build a portfolio website for free to showcase your projects, whether as a data analyst, whether as a web designer, whether as a freelancer, whatever it is you're doing. Google has given you a free platform that you can create a portfolio website for free today. Okay, see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.